Hi, we are Tarmin and we are a storage trailblazer. I just want to talk to you about a very innovative approach in the industry. Tarmin has looked at the gaps about the approaches in the storage industry from a disk perspective, from a tape perspective, or cloud, or other media perspective, what we call a media. And what we see in the corporates and where the IT and end users are struggling with is not the media, it's basically the growth problem, which is bound with data. And hence we came up with a very novel architecture that is data centric. It's grid computing, it's compatible with cloud computing, and that is a modern architecture which actually maps with high-speed nature of today's business models, where the data flows are really coming every day at instant speeds, and data is growing at vast volumes, as you know, and as we see the market challenges around that for end users. So we came up with a simple value proposition where we can reduce the capital expenditure of the hardware and make it very storage agnostic, as well as basically provide a value for the data. The three key innovation pillars in the what we call a data-centric approach to the storage, data-defined storage. And the three key pillars are: A, we provide a storage management layer which is totally media independent, providing object technologies that scale out, providing cloud compliance, providing a kind of consistency with the way the data growth is actually going without binding the storage with the media. Secondly, the compliance is the biggest issue with unstructured data, and we deal with unstructured data all the time, and that is where the growth is. So the compliance really needs to manage the accessibility, auditing, and how you retain the data, how you dispose the data, and how you actually go about, putting a legal hold or searching the data or finding the data, as well as encrypting the data and compressing the data. Finally, we see the biggest trend in the industry is coming from big data, where people are actually copying the data just for executing big data projects. Now that's a really lot of waste of storage. But the key need is that you want to get a value from the data. So what we did is we said, okay, whatever the data you store, we will actually provide a foundation for analytics. That means you can actually have a fantastic, intelligent metadata, plus you can have a framework for understanding the data by means of executing a intelligent taxonomical search technologies that we have pioneered, and the algorithms that we use have actually mapped, providing those federative scalability around the growth of unstructured data. You can actually get access to understanding of 500 plus file formats, which is unheard of, including oil and gas, including banking and transactional and trading systems data, including healthcare and life sciences file formats. When you look at that value for customers, it is something that will give you the analytics, or what we call return on data, using data-defined storage. I would welcome the opportunity for you to visit our website www.tarmin.com to learn more about Tarmin and its fantastic data-defined storage solution, Grid Bank data management platform. Thank you.